Regular jogging increases life expectancy. The study's most current analysis, unpublished, reveals that 1 to 2.5 hours of jogging each week at a slow or ordinary tempo delivers the highest benefits for life, according to Peter Schnorr. The EuroPrevent 2012 meeting was held in Dublin, Ireland, from May 3 to 5, 2012, by the European Association for Cardiovascular Prevention and Rehabilitation, (EAPR), a recognized branch of the European Society of Cardiology, (ESCAPE). Our findings allow us to definitively answer the question of whether jogging is beneficial to one's health, said Schnorr, chief cardiologist of the Copenhagen City Heart Study, during a symposium named Our Findings Allow Us to Definitively Answer the Question of Whether Jogging is Beneficial to One's Health. After a few guys died while out jogging, some publications warned that jogging might be too stressful for typical middle-aged folks, Schnorr said. The Copenhagen City Heart Research, which began in 1976 and includes roughly 20,000 men and women aged 20 to 93, is a prospective cardiovascular population study. The study's purpose was to better understanding of cardiovascular disease and stroke prevention by using the Copenhagen Population Register. Participants were asked how much time they spent running each week and how fast they felt they jogged, defined as slow, average, and fast. Using a unique personal identification number, participants from all of the different data collectors were monitored in the Danish Central Person Register. These figures have been important to the study's success since they allow us to track participants wherever they go, Schnorr explained. The amount of exercise completed by the study's joggers revealed a U-shaped curve for the link between exercise duration and mortality. Exercise for 1 to 2.5 hours each week, spaced out over 2 to 3 sessions, produced the best results, especially when done at a slow or moderate pace. People who report moderate jogging have a lower risk of death than non-joggers or those who exercise excessively, Schnorr noted. Jogging, said Schnorr, delivers multiple health benefits.
Thank you for watching. Hope you will like the video I created for you. Please support me. Click on subscribe. Then click on the bell. Please tap the below to view videos of the same series.